Hello, everyone. So, yes, 30, 50. I'm beautiful. My mom's beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. All women are beautiful. All men are beautiful. No one should be put against. This is why. This is why women grow to be jealous of their own daughters, because people put women against each other. People put mother against daughter, daughter against mother. No, that shouldn't be. Just because you're not, I don't know, 10, 11, like just because you're 18 and older does not mean that you're not valuable. And women, especially mothers and daughters, should not be put against each other. Okay? Everyone is beautiful at